Good day everyone, I'm Janet Bukaya and I'm here to discuss the rights guarantee during custodial investigations according to RA 7438. First is right to counsel. Right to counsel, they must be right of the person of incompetent and independent counsel of their choices. If they cannot afford, a lawyer must be provided. And according to this right to counsel, um, a custodial investigation shall not proceed without counsel. And next, right to right to be informed of rights. Um, they must be informed of they must be informed of his rights um, in language or dialect that they understand at the time of the arrest. At the time of arrest and before questioning. Next is right to remain silent. Right to remain silent is they cannot be compelled or testify. They cannot be compelled testify of themselves. And next is rights against torture, force, or violence. Any use of um, threats, intimidation, coercion, or any physical violence or psychological used to extract all confession or information is illegal and cannot be or cannot be inadmissible in court. Next is right to confidential communications with counsel. Here, communication with a person and with his lawyer are are confidential and and should be private and next is rights to visit and confer privately any of the following person that can be visit or condemned privately are any family relatives and any I um and medical doctor or priest that their relatives or family provided and any NGO representative. Next is rights 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 to notify the relatives and friends. Here, um, they must be informed or notify the relative or friends um, to identify the situation of the accused or the person who are in custodial investigation. Next is rights for free legal assistance or free assistance. Any here this according to these rights, um, any person who are inherent or who are given any free legal assistance and pasok ko na yan.